Hi there, today I am sharing one of my favorite general purpose pairs of knitting needles, the single pointed Symphony Dreams needles from Knitter's Pride. These are a 10-inch, but they're available in a 14-inch as well. They come in US sizes 2.5 through 17, and all the Symphony needles are color coded by size, so you know if you pick up two of their needles and they're the same color, they're going to be the same size, which is so convenient. These ones are Orange Lily, so they are a size 5. They're made of a laminated birch, which is really strong. Here I'm bending the needle and it's handling that just fine. They're super smooth for a wooden needle, but not as slippery as metal. Since they're made of wood, they will get even smoother the longer you use them because they will absorb the natural oils in your yarn. Here I'm using them for a checker pattern on a cabled piece that is bordered by chunks of checkering. I love how lightweight the needles are. I don't get hand fatigue even after using them for a super long time. I like to cram as many stitches on a needle as I can, and the stoppers on the end of these needles hold up really well for that. You can see how many I have on here, and they never fall off. I would definitely recommend these needles if you don't have a pair already.